So, today's video is basically me revealing that I have registered my company. I will have the website up in the next couple of days. I've just got to sort out the bank account details. I know there's been a very big lack in the amount of videos coming out of this channel in the last 2 weeks, but I've kind of been focusing on that solely, and didn't really feel that it was adequate to create a video around with all the paperwork. So we're in B Craigs just now. I'm gonna see if I can get some stag shots for this video, and we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. Alright, so I've just found out a new handy tip for doing some videos. Sorry, there's a load of flies on the path that I'm walking on now. I've just found out a new quite handy tip for if you're doing vlogging on the same camera that you're shooting all of your B-roll on, and you're using a steadicam. It comes with a base plate that has a hole in the top, and if you put an adapter lug in that, it stops the pin from moving when you take your camera off of it. However, if you're still switching between the two rigs, you can just attach your tripod into that, and you're able to put your tripod on, remove the quick release plate, and shoot just however you want it. Okay, so the deer are behind me. I don't have a big enough lens with me to be able to capture them properly, so it looks like you're going to have to make do with the picture that Highland kept. Gonna head into Lithgow, get something to eat, and then probably head home, where I will discuss the company a little bit more. And the sun is finally coming out, harshly, although it's nice and cloudy, so in certain areas you get a nice diffusion. Alright guys, so today we went to B Craigs to try and capture video of a specific animal for the purpose of this video. It didn't really work out. We also went to Lithgow. We then came home, and now I'm doing this outro. Hopefully you liked the video that I did manage to shoot. However, the main point that I am going to get to is the fact that we couldn't shoot a stag. The lens that I had was too short, so couldn't get close enough to capture it properly. However, that brings me on to my next point, which is we have a name registered and the company registered. It is Wolf and Stag Studio. Our mission statement goes something a little like this. It's taken off of the website that I have been building over the last few days. That is why there's not really been a video come out. It goes, what is with the name Wolf and Stag Studio? We wish to guide and help each client grow and prosper. In the Celtic belief system, both the wolf and stag are held in high regard. The wolf is seen not as a threatening hunter, but rather as a powerful guide and helper. The stag, being one of the oldest animals in existence, was a symbol of life, fertility and vitality. Their antlers were a symbol of the tree of life. We work driven by a passion for the craft, creating personal, meaningful work that engages not only with the client but also with the audience. Now, there is a lot more coming up in the future. It is going to consist of the first meeting with a new client, which is happening on Thursday. Hopefully you'll be able to come along for that, and if he doesn't mind me videoing it, there'll be no audio but videoing parts of it, then fingers crossed you will see some of that process. Also, we have a comparison between Canon and Sony cropped lens cameras coming up as well, and these will all be coming out kind of staggered but one after the other. We have other projects happening as well, and we will be doing some photography projects and tutorials as well. With that all being said, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the company name that I'm going forward with, and if you did, a thumbs up would be appreciated. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down, leave a comment, and if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. But until then, guys, keep it real, hunt the thrill, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.